I love vacations. A few months back, the family and I took a nice, relaxing vacation in the state of my birth, Hawaii, or as the Tea Partiers still call it, Kenya. My favorite month is February, Black History Month. You see, Michelle, she celebrates the full month, and, I celebrate half. My father was a black man from Kenya, and my mother was a white woman from Kansas. So yes, my mother loved a black man, and no, she was not a Kardashian. I had my team of experts use the latest computer technology to predict what Michelle and I are going to look like at the end of my first term. Don't get me wrong. He might make a great president, along with his first lady, second lady, third lady. It's unfortunate that Tim Pawlenty couldn't make it here, but cut him some slack. He's having his foot surgically removed from his mouth. Oh no, don't worry. Luckily for him, it's covered under Obamacare. So, yeah, that along with spinal transplants. Yeah. He was a one-syllable president. Gotta go. God bless you. God bless the United States. God bless America. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.